Imagine you find an old book covered in dust, filled with strange symbols. At first it looks like nonsense, but then someone tells you, this book holds the secret to understanding life. It explains why things happen the way they do, why we struggle, why we desire, and why happiness never lasts. This is Kabbalah. It's not a religion. It's a way of understanding life at a deeper level. Because what we see, the events, the emotions, the people around us, is just the surface. Beneath it, there's a hidden pattern. Most people never notice it, but once you do, life starts making sense in a way it never did before. Think of a movie. When you watch it, you only see the scenes unfolding. But behind those scenes there's a script, a plan that makes everything happen the way it does. Life is the same. It feels random, unpredictable. But what if there's a hidden design? What if the challenges we face aren't just accidents, but lessons? Kabbalah says that everything in life is here to teach us something. Imagine playing a video game. Every level has obstacles. Some are easy, some feel impossible. But when you finally figure it out, you move forward. Life is no different. If we don't learn from our struggles, they keep repeating. But the moment we see the lesson, everything changes. And then there's desire. Have you ever noticed that no matter what you achieve, money, success, relationships, it never feels like enough? The happiness fades, and you start wanting something else. It's like drinking salt water. The more you drink, the thirstier you get. Kabbalah explains why. It says that real fulfillment doesn't come from taking, but from giving. Imagine you have a candle. If you use it to light another candle, your flame doesn't shrink. It spreads. That's how happiness works. The more we connect with others, the more alive we feel. But what about pain? Why do we suffer? Kabbalah says pain isn't a punishment, it's transformation. Think of a sculptor chiseling a block of stone. To the stone, it might feel like destruction. But in reality, something beautiful is being revealed. What if our struggles are doing the same? What if life isn't breaking us, but shaping us into something greater? And here's the most powerful idea. Life doesn't change. We do. The world remains the same. But when we start seeing things differently, everything shifts. It's like adjusting the focus on a camera. Suddenly, what once seemed like chaos starts to reveal a pattern. Kabbalah isn't about believing in something. It's about seeing something. It's about understanding the hidden rules of life, learning to move with them instead of against them. And once you do, nothing looks the same again. So the next time life feels confusing, don't ask, why is this happening to me? Ask, what is this trying to show me? Because maybe life isn't random. Maybe like an old book filled with secrets, it's been trying to tell you something all along. The only question is, are you ready to listen?